Smooche Color Changing Foundation is being marketed as a smart foundation that adapts to your exact skin tone instantly. But the real question is whether it's actually better than regular foundation or just another overhyped trend. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. The formula uses micro-encapsulated pigments that break and blend when applied, which can help adjust slightly to your skin tone. However, here's the key point. It doesn't truly match all skin tones. It just shifts within a limited range. What it does well: convenience. No need to pick a shade, which is appealing if you struggle with color matching. Lightweight, natural finish. Designed for your skin but better look rather than heavy coverage that's beginner-friendly. Easy to apply and blend compared to traditional foundations. For casual, everyday use, it can work like a light coverage tinted base. Where it falls short, the biggest issue is overhyped claims. Matches all skin tones is misleading. It mainly works for fair to medium tones, not all complexions. Limited coverage. It's closer to a tinted moisturizer than a full coverage foundation. Marketing versus reality. Claims like flawless skin in seconds and 16-hour wear are based on brand-controlled data. So, better foundation or just meh? Short answer, mostly meh. It's not a scam. It's a real working product. But it's not better than a good traditional foundation. Bottom line, Smooche Color Changing Foundation is basically a light, adaptable base product, not a breakthrough. It can be convenient and decent for quick use, but the perfect match for everyone claim is exaggerated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.